Hello YouTube, in the next episode of coding my own Tibia server. On the off stream, I did a lot of fucking work. I did almost everything, and it took me something between 2 and 3 hours. It's hard to say because I was doing it in time I was at work, so I was jumping between 2 laptops and I was coding, but I'm on the fucking good way to finally implement the new way of saving attributes. What I did, I will just show you this little fucking monster. It's still a little bit shorter than original function. Here's the original function, but still it's ugly as fuck. Here's the original, and here's my implementation working with the JSON. And I would love to fucking refactor it, but I guess not now because I have still some job to do. And the job is with a second idea. Okay, not so I can go back to IntelliJ. I was checking saved JSON here. What I wanted to say, I have to check how containers work, because normal items are saved properly. I guess I can show you that, but the issue is with containers, because containers is the next object that is nested list, and must be handled a little bit different. Not here. It's okay. I am here. Load container. Currently it's the old implementation, but I guess I have to make it a new one. And and I guess the signature will be almost the same, but I will have to pass here JSON item JSON. Yep, exactly. I will have to pass this shit item JSON and handle it properly. But I guess it will be a little bit here, maybe. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to make a new signature of the method. Load container group. I don't know what it is. Load item container. What? Okay. We'll create a new signature. And it's going to be called load container version 2. Takes the same fucking objects and it's going to use JSON container JSON. I will call it like it should be. Okay. Now I have to put meta signature in the interface, let's say. Okay, here. Version 2. And that. Okay. Good. Sorry. And now go back to the shadow. Here. Return true. And now I have to all occurrences of the old. Okay, it's created by me, so version 2. And item JSON. Okay, the next occurrence. What the fuck? Why it jumped so much? Version 2. Item JSON. Really, I have to change the fucking mouse. Container and item JSON. And one more thing before the save. Global Lua. Apparently it's 30 seconds between the save. Now it's 1 minute. And now it's 10 minutes for the save. But I guess I will make it 1 hour before the save because I don't need any save now. I have correct data in the database. Like here. This one is my backpack. I don't like this attribute count. I don't know why there's 7 when I have only 1 potion in the. So, it's strange. I guess it will be a next bug that gives me here a lot of count, but there should not be so much of count. But okay. I guess I should compile the code, or maybe no. No. First I will go up there. To my method. I guess I need the same loop. I don't know what's the serialization count. Then I will make a log first. Get ID. Okay, let it be. But here there's no serialization problem, but I won't check its serialization count. What the fuck? What value it has? Serialization count. Container serialization count. Because I wonder if this one is actual number. Sorry, if this one is current number of items in the backpack or it's a total slots in the backpack. Should I make it true? Okay. Okay, if it is false, it will delete the items. Okay, I have to return the true. Okay. Let's compile it. But really, I'm on a good way to do it. I updated this one. Or no? Okay, I didn't update it. But I changed something, but I don't remember what. Okay, I guess nothing from here. Okay, I did. Read list from external JSON, read external JSON. This one. Okay. We'll explain a little. Here we read JSON from the list. We have the list. We have index of the element, and we retrieve JSON here. Read just reads the data written in the single object here. Read list from external JSON. We take external JSON passed here. We put here list name, and we here we retrieve that list and put here. Then it's something new. I just make an overloaded method because I had to. And here we take external JSON, takes type from this element, and takes attribute name. We are looking for the attribute if the external JSON has it, and then we read it, set it, read it, cast it, and set it to this type. Read string, I'm not going to use it. And okay, and then C++. Item C++ here. I don't know what I did. Okay, I cleared a little this function from the comment. I did this on serialize attribute version 2 and read attribute version 2. Okay, I will log in data. Okay, build. Very good. Okay, breakpoint here. What's that? Serialized attribute. Do I need anything here? I guess no. IO map serialize. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. Container item stream. This one, it's true size of items. So the true size of items in the backpack or bag. Okay, load container 41 get JSON. Okay, I don't need this breakpoint because it worked. And I need to go down. And I will put breakpoint here. And run this little motherfucker. Okay, skip, 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 skip. And we are here. Serialization count 0. Oh, why? Can we make it 0 bigger than 0 false? Serialization error, load item. Warning. Wait. Copy. No. Okay, because it's container. But this one should return true. Oh, the fuck. I forgot to return value. True, true. attribute read error. So I guess it's returned read error, or this one returned, but it's not the. Oh, I should put true here. Okay, because I guess it's the house. Sorry, not house, bed, etc. Serialization count 0. Item ID 1988. 1988. This one. Okay. I'm going to go to the game. Backpack is on the place, but it don't has any item. I guess something is wrong. Saving maybe. Log out. And I have to stop the server. Here again. The class is called container. Container. But what the fuck is container? Container C++. Okay. Serialization counts 0. I wonder if it is saved somewhere. Read attribute. Okay. Attribute container items. And then we use. Okay, so it's not serialized. Okay. Here's the issue. Because container, I forgot the word. That. Oh my god. Container inherits from item. Okay. And I do not overridden the original function, and I have to do it. And I guess it will fix the issue. Okay, so I have to go to item C++. I have to copy this. I have to go back to the container. Exactly like this. It's not item. Container. And now I forgot what to do. Copy this. Read attribute version 2 and it will take 30 stream and attribute. Like this. Now now I forgot. Oh no, I didn't. I have to make like this attribute find attribute container items, copy, paste, and it must be different than attribute and then oh my god. Read version 2. Let's put attribute and key of the JSON is this. But I forgot the function name. We cannot hear here. Read external JSON. Container here. And it should work, I think. But we will see if it's going. No. No matches. Really? It inherits from the item, but it didn't inherit anything at all. Read attribute. I don't know what's the unserialized item node. File loader. I guess it's something related with reading from file, but this one worked correctly. I'm not going to touch it for now. Okay. Oh, and why it's not static here? Query add, finger removing the last. Okay, I guess it doesn't have to be. Okay. File this shit up. Okay. Okay, I also didn't check the guilds. The guild wars. But I guess it's not mandatory yet now. The guilds maybe yes, but not the guild wars. Okay, Andrew, but It's still compiled. Okay. Launch the game. Here inside the item. Next one. Next one. One. Next one. Next one. Oh. And we are here. Load container serialization count. 0 again. So there's still an issue. Attribute container items. Attribute container items. Okay. This shit should be written here inside the attribute. Okay, so my god, I don't remember where it is. Container items, right list. Serialized ID. item. Serialize attribute. Serialize attribute. Okay. Right list, right to list. Need this one. Then no, here. And here we are writing this into list attribute. This attribute container items. And here is the value. And this one is stream. Okay. This one I can remove. Remove. Also. And now I have to change it by hand here. Okay, so copy, script, update, where data equals this. And set data equal this. And now I have to move this shit. I have to put here. Okay, do not save. And execute script updated. Okay. I guess I have to compile again. But I guess it's not really mandatory to compile. I changed the save only. Okay, let's compile this shit. Make do down serialization count 8. Good. It worked. Stop the server. So now I have to get the same loop. Here. The fuck? What the fuck happened? Okay. Oh damn. It's a different idea. Load container here. Override and trust again. Okay. Load item property stream version 2 item index. So I will serialize items from the end of list, I guess. From the end of the list. So it will have reverted, I guess, positions. Damn. Or no? Starting from 8. Okay, so I go and continue. Version 2. And this one is going to be our index. Okay, no, I have to lower by 1. So it's going to be -1. Or wait, I will call it like it should be. Int 33t index equals this -1 index. And attribute? What the fuck is an attribute? This one is going to be my end. But okay. Now again I have to go down because I called it container items and it must be called simply items. Items inside the item. And I have to update database. Okay. And now attribute. Turn items to item. Good. Execute. Good. Let's compile. Finally, it should work. Okay, start. No, serialization error for container. Load house items. Load item. Okay. Serialize. Okay. Next one. Next one. Next one. So this time it started from the container. I guess I have to put breakpoint there. Serialize attribute. Not here. Here. Hey, where the fuck is that function? Okay, here. I'm going to put breakpoint here and restart the server. Okay, next line was the index 7. I would like to jump this function. Step into next line. Next line. Okay, this one return. No. So it's 3 I have. Okay. ID. It doesn't have an ID. Why? Okay. Think. Okay, we are read JSON. Oh, damn. No. Okay, this one is my list. It's item JSON. container. I have to read the shit from this. This one is my item with this list. But here I'm read it from property stream and not from the actual JSON. Not from the proper one. Because this one contains the whole object. The whole object, I mean, contains this shit. And yes, it has items list. And also it should have. Okay, items list. Okay. I know what's the issue. So stop the server. I have to read this list from container. From container, and then I will have the JSON with the item, and I will have to put it here. So I will have to make an overloaded function. Okay. So let's go here. We got index. So let's now make JSON item JSON equals container JSON index. I guess that's all. Sorry. No. I have to read the list. Damn. So the list will be every time. So here JSON container items equals prop. Okay. Okay. It like here. But with a different name. It's container JSON. Container JSON. Sorry. Container items JSON. Item JSON. But it doesn't have any. Go back here. Database, not database, file loader. Read list from external JSON. This shit is what I need. Save it. Update. And here, read list from external JSON. So I'm going to read it, container JSON, and its items. Okay, exactly like this. And here, I have my JSON, item JSON. Like this. Okay. And now I have to make overloaded function. This. And it require from me this shit. And return this one. Property stream, cylinder parent, and JSON. And this signature is going to be changed. Item index is used only once. Yes. Yes. So this one we are going to delete. This one will take JSON item JSON exactly like this. Now I have to copy and put overloaded function here. And it's going to static boolean load items version 2 static. Okay. Now here load item and not the index but item JSON. Like this. Okay. It's time to compile it. Something is wrong with the tabs. Okay. No, it's valid shit. Okay. No, but okay. Realization count. Next one. True. Error. But where? Again in the same spot. Copy. Hey, here. One 754. Here. Bad. Okay. I guess I have to make it slightly different because really the older implementation shows an error if something is like bad, etc. It doesn't have any attributes. Finally. Finally. Now, the shit I want to do is to refactor this monster, but I will not make it on the stream. It will take ages, I guess. Maybe not the ages, but I would like to do this shit. And and I would like to refactor it. I would like to change this the names from the version 2 to just unserialized attribute. And go to the next sheet. Ring is also properly too big, but 18 minutes. Make it save. Okay, now the server will be not safe. But it worked. Because the same I need to put with saving player items, the ones that are in the player backpack, etc. But okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.